Okay, it's time for a little update on my hydroponic garden that I'm growing outside on my balcony with my new iPhone. Alright, so these plants are doing really well. The whole system's, I think I know what I'm doing now. Alright, there's 2 kale plants and there's 10 lettuce plants out here. And let me just walk you through it. So this kale is pretty old. Actually, I just rescued it from the dead. He actually had uh, some of the powdery mildew, and I just cleaned him off with neem oil. I actually did a root prune too. So anyway, this guy is not. So this guy, I've been pruning the roots, trying to get. So this thing goes really long because it's stupid. I need to cut off most of these roots and get some of that lateral, nice new uh, roots coming down. So anyway, this is 99 cent 99 cents inner liner. I think $7.50 outer liner. Okay, so I'm going to put an additional light on this guy. He's still going to produce. This plant's he's produced for months and months and months, and I'm growing a new one to replace that guy. Anyway, here's some lettuces. So these things are in various stages. I think this is a variety I haven't grown before, but they are doing fantastic. And see if I can pop open the hood here, show you how healthy the roots are in there. And they are very healthy roots. So this guy, hopefully I'm not. Alright, so anyway, this guy is getting pretty close to harvest time. The El Cortez. All right, a couple more lettuces. I don't know what I'm growing here. It's going to be good. Very healthy. By the way, they do really well here in the patio. They only get a few hours of direct sunlight a day, but what makes it all work is I have these lights. I'm using just standard 5000K, just basically daylight spectrum, and they're low wattage. I don't know. They probably average 5 or 6 watts actual each. So this is my other kale plant. I got him under a brighter light. This guy is starting to come in. He's getting his root. So I started him off indoors and I put him outside, and it's been taking a little bit of time for his roots. He's like wilting during the direct sunlight hours, but the root system's establishing. He's just going to start growing. It'll get really good. So just takes a little bit of time. Next time I'll bring him outside a little bit earlier. All right, so everything's producing. Everything's great. This is November 12th, and I expect to be growing all winter because it doesn't really drop below 10 degrees C out here, and I think that's fine. So that's generally accepted. We'll find out, but worst case, I'll bring things inside. All right. So anyway, that's the balcony.